Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. Today Amma has a very spicy recipe in store. She's going to be making chili oil. You can have this with your standard dal bhat and masu, or with noodles or chapatis and all sorts. For anyone who really loves chilies and all things spicy, this one's for you guys. So for this recipe you will need 100 grams of chili flakes, salt as per your taste, 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, or superior dark in this case, 350 milliliters of oil, and 5 tablespoons of vinegar. So what you're going to have to do at the start is blend all of the chili flakes to make them finer. Whoops, we had a little bit of an accident, but the show must go on. So just blend away, and they should look something like this. So once the chili flakes have been blended, pour it into a pan and then add 350 milliliters of oil. Give it a little mix. Then after a few minutes, turn on the stove in a low heat and cook the chili flakes in the oil. Throughout this process, continue to stir the mixture. The longer you cook the chili flakes, you will start to smell the aroma of chilies. Once you reach this point, turn off the stove for a little bit and add salt as per your preference. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, then turn on the heat again. Next, add 5 tablespoons of vinegar. Then allow the mixture to boil for a few more minutes. So at the end you should end up with something like this. You should allow the chili oil to cool down for a while. Once the chili oil is no longer hot, store it in a container or consume straight away. So that's all for today guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!